What is going on, everyone? Welcome to another video from Feature Tech. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to reset your Tribit XSound Surf. Now, this reset method also works for the Tribit XSound Go. Now, before we get deep into the video, make sure to subscribe for more awesome and helpful videos like this. Let's get into it. To begin resetting your speaker, you're going to want to make sure that it's fully powered on, and you can do that by holding the power button to turn it on. It's going to begin blinking. That means it's ready to pair. But if it's not pairing with your device already, what you can do is hold down the volume down and volume up button, press and hold for 5 seconds until you hear the beeping twice. And once you do, you can let your fingers go and it's now fully reset. So this was my video on how to reset your Tribit XSound Surf, and like I mentioned, this method works for the XSound Go as well. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to like and subscribe, and if you have any comments or questions, leave them down below. Hope you have a great day. Take care.